How to use Square Website Builder step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Square Website Builder. So what exactly is the Square Website Builder and how can you use it? Square Website Builder is not limited to just one functionality of building a simple portfolio, but the Square Website Builder allows you to build your own website that is going to be tailored to the purposes of your website, whether you're selling stuff, whether you are building a restaurant website or anything else. Square can do it all for you. Not only that, but you can create a premium online shopping experience and personalized online shopping. You can schedule sales and create hype around your products, give discounts, deliver locally, and do so much more. So let's get started with Square Online. To get started, click on Create Your Site, and you can get started with building your website on Square. The first thing is going to be to create your account. So you're going to enter your email address like this, and then you're going to type in your password like so. You're going to select your locale and agree to their terms and conditions. Once you do that, you can proceed on to your next step. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and you're going to enter your business name. Let's say it's going to be Polka Dots. And you're going to enter what type of business you have. So for us, it's going to be clothing and accessories, and we're going to click on next. Once we do that, we can add more information about our business. So what is included in more information about our business? Well, when you are going to enter information about your business, you need to specify whether it's a sole proprietorship, whether it's an LLC, corporation, partnership, charity, or nonprofit. So for us, this is going to be a sole proprietorship, and you're going to enter information about your business. So we're going to be doing polka dots. We're going to add a preferred phone number, and you can enter your estimated annual revenue like so, and then our annual revenue. So once we've completed our sign up, this is what our account dashboard is going to look like. On the top, you have your basic profile information, which you do have to complete to activate your account. Then on the left, you can add your items and services. This can be added for things that are subscription-based, things that are normal items that you're going to ship out to customers, or services as well. Then you have your payments and invoice section, which includes transactions, all of your orders, invoices, virtual terminals, contracts, payment links, subscriptions, disputes, and a risk manager. You have your online website builder, customers, reports, staff manager, and a banking, and then settings and POS systems. So not only are you able to create your account on Square, but you can also create your staff members' accounts as well as set up your own POS system. Because retail is so difficult to manage when you have lots of inventory, including a POS system that is directly linked to your online store system can help you in managing inventory more efficiently. Now we're going to click on online store over here, and once we click on online store, we will be able to see what our store visually looks like and how we can customize this. So we can bring the power of Square to our online store, and we can click on start your site. Once we do that, we can proceed on to the Square application and complete their authorization to be able to start building. Now Square partners up with Weebly, and that is how you are able to build your website with Square. So first off, you're going to choose how you're going to get the orders to your customer. Let's say this is going to be shipping only or in-house deliveries. Your own drivers are going to deliver online orders to customers, and then we're going to click on continue. After that, you have to enter information about your business. So we're just going to do that, and we're going to wait a couple of seconds for our website to be built up. And from here, we can get started with choosing Square or any type of Square plan. So we have 14 days for free, and we can go with the free version or the plus version. The plus plan is recommended, but we are going to just continue on over here. We can start our free trial and we can put in our payment information. If you don't want to do that, you can click on see all plans and then proceed with the free plan. Now the free plan has greater transactional charges, and for that reason, I actually prefer to upgrade to a free trial on their premium plan. We are going to be discussing pricing at the end, so you can watch till the end for that as well. Now, once we've done that, we can go into website, click on edit site over here. And once we click on edit site, we can proceed with editing our website and its appearance. So over here, we can see we have several different website templates which we can use. You can see there are customizable themes included in the Plus plan starting at only £20 per month. but you can use a free plan as well. You can go into retail, restaurants, memberships, classes, events, informational, and more. So you can get any theme you prefer. You can click on select. Once you click on select, you can proceed onto your dashboard to start building your site. Now, site building on Square is really easy. All you need is some basic information on how you can build your theme. So we're going to click on continue. And keep in mind that whatever theme you're using, if it is on the premium version of Square, you are going to have to upgrade. So that is why I do prefer it. But you guys can see this is the mobile version of our website theme. And then we can go into the desktop version like this. This is what it's going to look like. Now I can just click on the header. I can choose to add the navigation. And when you click on any element, a menu on the left will pop up where you can start editing. This is the main structure or sectioning. And I can click on add section to add any other section, whether it's featured items, categories, donations. Whenever you add any section that is related to items, this is going to directly sync up with your existing item directory. So you're going to have to sync it up with that. And if I want to add anything, I can click on it, change the layout like so. I can choose the section heights as well as the color schemes that is applied. And if I want, I can add my own images and banners. And from here, you can click on preview. And then once you've previewed your website, you can publish it. Now on the free version of Square, you have to pay 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Then it's going to be 2.9 plus 30 cents per transaction, but you also get upgraded tools like website themes, expanded site customization, and more. Then on the premium plan and plan at $79 per month, you get 2.6 plus 30 cents per transaction. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.